Good morning children. Today we are going to start exercise 6.4 and the question is write all the factors of the numbers in each pair. Then find their common factors. And the first is 6 and 8. You have to find all factors of 6 and all factors of 8. Now factors of 6. As we know, 1 is the smallest factor of every number and number itself is the greatest factor. So 1 and 6 are the factors of 6. Now 6 is an even number, so 2 will be the factor. 2, 3, the 6. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now factors of 8. Again 1 is the smallest factor and number itself is the greatest factor. So 1 and 8 will be the factor here. Again 8 is an even number, so 2 will be the factor. 2, 4, the 8. So we end up this list here only because 3, 3, the 9. It will be greater than this. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. To find common factors of 6 and 8, we list up all the factors here again. 1, 2, 3 and 6. And factors of 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now what we see that 1 and 2 are common. So the common factors of 6 and 8 are 1 and 2. Now second part is 30 and 45. We have to find all factors of 30 and all factors of 45. So 30 is an even number. And again we see the smallest factor is 1 and greatest is number itself. 1 and 30 are factors. Even numbers, so 2 will be the factor. 15 to the 30 we know. Then move on to number 3. 3, 10 the 30. Then 5, 6 the 30. So what are the factors of 30? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now let us find factors of 45. 1 and number itself. So 1 and 45 will be the factors. Then 45 is an odd number. So 2 will not be the factor. The next number is 3. So we know 15, 3 the 45. Again, we cannot check by 4 because 45 is an odd number. So 5, 9 the 45. So the factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. So we list all the factors of 30 and 45 here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15. And factors of 45, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. So what we see, the common factors here 1, 3, 5 and 15. So the common factors of 30 and 45 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now let us take 7th part. We have to find factors of 20 and 32. So the factors of 20 are 1 and number itself means 1 and 20. 20 is an even number. 2 will be the factor. So 2, 10 the 20 we know. Then even number 3 will not be the factor. So come to number 4. 4, 5 the 20. So the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now take factors of 32. 1 and number itself. So 1 and 32 will be the factor. 32 is an even number. 2 will be the factor. So 2, 16 the 32. Or you can say 16 to the 32. 32 is an even number. So 3 will not be the factor. So check by 4. 4, 8 the 32. So what are the factors of 32? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Now we will list all the factors of 20 and 32. So the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. And the factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So what are the common factors? Just check. 1, 2, 4. So the common factors of 20 and 32 are 1, 2 and 4. In the same way you will do all parts. That's all for today. Bye-bye.